Wilson Hall at the Indiana University of Pennsylvania, in Indiana, Pennsylvania, and it's a Schindler 330A. Center, of course, is single side doors. We put them all in the center. Yeah, they're like all loose, how someone move them all around. Ground, interior down. Here, ground. Go two. Check up. Bit bouncy. It's still pretty smooth here too. Back down to one. The basic cab. This is a very old building, so again, this was obviously added to the building. And that is pretty hilarious. They were obviously on the ends and then someone put them all in the center. So that means you can have 3 people right crammed together, not social distancing. Here, back at 1. Here goes, now it's gonna get.